Hey there, amazing parents. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for all things natural and wholesome. And today we've got a topic that every parent needs to know about: baby diaper rashes. If you've ever dealt with the discomfort and worry that comes with those pesky rashes, you're in the right place. Stick around because today, we're diving into effective home remedies to bid farewell to those irritations once and for all. What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If your little one has a painful, red, irritated diaper rash, I know just how stressful that can be. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to share my top 3 natural home remedies to soothe and heal baby's diaper rash fast. We're going to kick things off with a super gentle diaper rash healing saline spray. All it takes is 2 simple ingredients to create this soothing solution. Then, we'll talk about creating an oatmeal bath soak to reduce irritation and inflammation. And finally, I'll share my easy-to-make healing diaper rash cream with coconut oil and calendula to protect, hydrate and restore baby's skin. Saline spray. A saline spray can help soothe and heal baby's irritated bottom. The salt content creates an environment that makes it difficult for bacteria and yeast to thrive while the water hydrates the skin. To make your own healing saline spray at home, all you need is some unrefined sea salt and purified water. Mix 1 teaspoon of sea salt into 1 cup of water until dissolved. Place the solution into a clean spray bottle. Make sure to shake well before each use. When changing baby's diaper, spray the saline solution generously onto the affected area and allow to air dry for a few minutes before applying any creams or putting on a clean diaper. The sea salt will work its magic to calm inflammation while the air exposure allows optimal healing. Repeat after each diaper change. Oatmeal bath soak. An oatmeal bath is a gentle, effective way to soothe irritated skin. The natural colloids found in oatmeal create a protective barrier on the skin, provide moisture, and relieve itchiness. In addition, oatmeal has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties to fight infection. Pour 1 to 2 cups of uncooked, organic oatmeal into a small cloth bag or tied piece of cheesecloth. Run the bag under warm water until the water runs milky white. Fill baby's bath tub with 4 to 6 inches of the oatmeal water mixture. Let baby soak in the soothing oatmeal bath for 5 to 15 minutes. Pat dry. The oatmeal residue left on the skin will continue to protect and hydrate. Coconut oil and calendula cream. One of the most effective natural remedies for healing diaper rash at home is applying a protective diaper cream. The combination of coconut oil and calendula is deeply nourishing and restorative for sensitive skin prone to inflammation, rashes, and yeast infections. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup coconut oil, warmed to liquid state, with 2 tablespoons calendula infused oil or dried calendula petals. Transfer the mixture to a glass jar for easy application onto baby's sore skin at each diaper change. The coconut oil protects while the calendula accelerates healing. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties will help clear up infection fast. So if you're ready to kick that diaper rash once and for all, make sure to stick around and let's get into these simple home remedies.